Welcome to 7th and 8th grade career education, and this is Miss Lively. What career cluster are we going to learn about today? Well, I'll tell you. Today we're going to talk about the business management and administration. Every business hires people to manage its operations. They need accountants and office managers to make sure that calls are answered and the books on money are in perfect order. Most people who are in this business management and administration make sure that the daily functions of the business are well taken care of. These businesses can range in size from small convenience stores to large hospitals. They all need employees to make sure that everything is running smoothly within the organization. The employees who choose this cluster normally play a leadership role. The personality type of people who choose this career cluster would be those that are highly motivated and driven. Normally, they're confident and intelligent and are future-minded. They have the personality type to be natural leaders. They thrive on structures and organization. They're excellent in verbal communication skills, but they have low tolerance for people that are disorganized or businesses that are disorganized. Pathways to this career would be administrative support, business information management, general management, human resources management, or operations management. Some sample occupations that would fall under business management and administration, you might find that some are also shared with the finance cluster that we did earlier. Some of these occupations are accountant, accounting manager, accounts payable manager, assistant credit manager, a billing manager. Any entrepreneur would fall under this cluster. A general manager, payroll manager, and a chief executive officer. So here's your assignment, part 1. A payroll manager makes sure that all employees in the company receive accurate paychecks on time. They make sure that the hours and the pay of that employee add up to be the same. What skills and interests do you think might be necessary to become a payroll manager? I'll give you a hint. Some of the skills and interests may start with thinking about numbers. Now remember, when we talked about skills and interests, skills are something that you could attain. For instance, maybe this person would need to have adequate math skills. An interest would be like we spoke about in previous slides about organization. Maybe a person would like to keep their things organized. If you can, list at least 3 more, either skills or interests, that would fall under this person. The second part of your assignment is I'd like you to think about the school as also being a business. There are employees there that make sure the building runs smoothly each day to support your education. Can you think of 3 people and their titles that are considered administration at PLC? If you need one, look at the hint that's on the picture. Once you have completed these assignments, please email me back so that I may be able to give you a grade for it. Thank you. Have a good day.